Welcome to this Excel tutorial on how to exclude certain cells or areas from printing in your worksheets. Sometimes you want to print a portion of your Excel worksheet and leave out specific rows or cells. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve this. Step 1. First, select the cells or areas you want to exclude from printing. In this example, we'll exclude rows 5 and 9. Step 2. Now, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Step 3. In the Format Cells dialog box, navigate to the Numbered tab and select Custom in the Category box. Step 4. In the Type box, enter 3 semicolons and click OK. Step 5. Your selected cells will now appear empty. You can go ahead and print your worksheet. After printing, you can remove the semicolons to display the cell contents again. By following this method, you can easily control which cells or areas are included or excluded from printing in Excel, allowing you to create customized printouts that meet your needs. Thank you for watching our Excel tutorial on excluding cells from printing. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more useful tips and tutorials, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.